My name is Aditi Joshi. I am a journalist, ex-journalist by profession. My son Divyang, who is a part of K8, was glad that we are here because we have all the support. I'm glad that we found K8 because I was really worried about Divyang's schooling. Honestly, due to the pandemic, for past 1 year, that is for his grade one, I have absolutely homeschooled him. The kind of background he had, I was really looking forward to a place where he'll feel comfortable, he'll look forward to, and I'm glad I found K8. So I have a very recent example to give you. Yesterday we were told that his summer vacations are going to start at KU, and the only thing he had to tell me was, "Mama, I have a good news and I have a bad news." And I was like, "What is the good news? And what would you rather want to know first?" I was like, "Okay, tell me the bad news first." He said, "My schools are going to be away for a month. We are having summer vacations." I was like, "Are you sure is that a bad news, Divyang?" He said, "Yeah, I like my school. I love my school, Mom. I don't want it to end." And I'm not fabricating it here. It was so pretty natural that he comes to me and tell me, and then I'm asking him, "What is the good news?" "Oh, we might have some holiday homework, some cute little things to do, and I'm really looking forward to do and send it to my ma'am." So that itself shows the level of interest, the level of liking that the kid has developed for the school. And so far, it's also good. I like the concept that there's this one teacher who's for a very small group of students. I believe there are 10 or even less than 10 students in his batch. And, right from day one, the way his teacher tried to make friends with all of them. She has her own equation with everyone. She has taken that moment to gasp, what is the special thing about every child, not only about Divyang. So, and it's the way she knows who will be losing attention soon, who will be asking questions more, who will not be paying attention. The way, her name is Rohini, and I'm really impressed because she herself is a pretty young teacher. But the way she has gelled with the students, the way she motivates them, the way she asks questions to them, the way she tells things about herself, it's like a friend talking to a friend. So the kids, I can sense, are very comfortable, and I think I as a parent have a lot of proximity to the teacher as well. Like, I've seen my other relatives, friends having these online classes for their kids, and I constantly see that they have this need to be sitting next to the kid, then finding and blocking some time with the teacher to communicate with them or to send them emails and then later understand if something was right or wrong. But here, after every class, even at the break time, the teacher is so gracious. She makes an announcement, say, if any parents want to speak to me now, I'll be happy to take any questions or give them any directions. So, which is quite commendable. She is giving her break time, to the parents, because I'm sure she also needs some time to prepare herself for the next class. But she is volunteering those 15 minutes of time dedicatedly to the parents, and one-on-one, she makes sure that if Divyang's mother has to speak, then other parents will be slotted in another class schedule, which is quite commendable. I'm sure there would be other institutes also that are going that extra step, but for me, what I was looking was a flexible approach, an innovative approach, and a friendly environment is exactly what K8 is delivering to the students, and that's quite commendable, I would say. My experience with K8 and all this online experience, it has been really wonderful. It gives parent an opportunity to be present there while still being away, while still being focused on what they would want to. Also, it gives the child an opportunity to learn at their own pace in a very friendly environment. There is no rushing, there is no pushing, yet there is a complete understanding. So I don't know what Divyang will be, but I'm glad he'll have an education which is world class. He will have an education which is informative. He will have an education which is understood, and he'll have an education which probably will help him make better choices in life and be very clear of what he would want to proceed further in life. And I'm very honored to say that all is going so well. And if you're looking for something new, you're looking for something cost effective, you're looking for something that is world class and something that will help your child be at least at a level where every parent expects, without much of a pressure on the kid, much of the pressure on yourself, and keeping the necessity of the times in mind, K8 is your solution.